Hello and welcome back to the Linux Panic YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you why there is no Linux from scratch video this week and the process that goes into making a Linux from scratch video. But first, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on any future videos. Give the notification bell a good old ring whilst you're at it. So, it is currently Tuesday, which means there's supposed to be a Linux from scratch video this week. But here's the thing. Last time round, when I was making this, we were going through the process of compiling GCC. Now, here's the thing. I stopped the recording and ended the video as I was compiling GCC. So I was here. I was going through the process of compiling and doing all the checks and such. You're probably wondering, well, why am I here? What's going on here? Well, after I stopped recording the video and started just sticking everything together in DaVinci Resolve, I took a step away from my computer, and the virtual machine was dead. Windows had decided it wanted to do screensaver after less than half an hour, even though I have my screensaver set to 5 hours. So Windows decided to go, nope, you don't want to work, and decided to screw me over. Someone's calling me from Ohio. I don't know what you're doing, but okay. I have no Ohio idea. That's what the buzzing was. Anyway, so not only did I lose one virtual machine, I have lost at least 6 more, all whilst trying to compile GCC. Now I can prove this because, as we can see here, aborted. These are the 4 that I kept and didn't delete. Now, I got back to GCC compile and I lost another one again today. So I backed up the virtual machine just before GCC compile. Now, the reason why I'm using Windows is because I can't move away from Windows because of the amount of storage I have in Windows. Now, I can prove, let me just prove what I've got here. Let me just drag and drop this in. So, what I have is I have at least, we're looking at 12, 13, 14 terabytes worth of storage that I cannot move over to another file system to switch over to Linux because I don't have the hundreds of dollars it would cost to get an even bigger drive to just chuck everything on and do it like that. I don't have the money to do that. That's why I'm stuck with Windows. I can't just back all of this up. I'm breaking all sorts of backing up rules here. So that's why this is like this. So currently I have this virtual machine running, which is just before GCC compile, the 4 here that I didn't delete, along with this one here. So I currently have 6 virtual machines that are supposed to be for Linux from scratch. And as we can see here, there's another one, but that one isn't actually correct. That's a very, very old one. So, unfortunately, because Windows just decided to take enough to shit on me, and VirtualBox for also wanting to take a big shit on me, that's why there's no Linux from scratch video this week. I'm gonna take another crack at attempting to compile GCC again because I want to carry on doing this, but because of the issues that I'm having compiling GCC and the fact that I'm having to nurse it for more than 5 or 6 hours at a time, and that the only chance I get to do that is at night. That's why it's taken so long. This is why there is no video this week. Next week, I will attempt to do 2 parts for the Linux from scratch to make up for the lack of this week and also next week's video. However, you will still get the usual Saturday video, which will come out on Saturday, would be the 17th. So there should be 2 videos on the 20th and 1 on the 17th, just to make up for the lack of videos for Linux from scratch. So, unfortunately, this is the state of play. There's not much more I can do to work my way around this. But Windows decided it did not want to play ball, even though I kicked it in the face multiple times. If I could move away, I would, but I don't have the hundreds of dollars to get a replacement drive, and my motherboard is filled. Like I'd have to take out my boot drive to just move everything across. But my Manjaro drove to move everything across, but that's another story for another day. That's a whole other thing. So that's why, unfortunately, we're here now. So thank you for watching and listening and understanding. Thank you for your time. Sorry I couldn't deliver this week. It's just things out of my hands. Is not really much I can do. So I would like to thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, give it a dislike. You might not see it, but I can. So that is fair. That's how I know that my Fedora 36 video has the largest dislike to like ratio, where it's like 68-69% of dislike to likes. You guys really didn't like that video. That's fine, because it brings more content to me, so yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'd like to thank you very much for watching. If you're not subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell and give the like a good old ring. I am annoyed and tired. So, thank you very much for watching. I have been Nick, you've been amazing, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.